Welcome to Sudoku SkVm. I'm going to solve the Hindu newspaper Sudoku puzzle on January 13, 2023. Fourth hour Sudoku. Fourth row, we have 1 and 4. So 1 and 4 can't come these cells. It will come here another 2 cells. Column I, we already have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell. 4 is sent from here. Then 1 is here. Then third card, 3 numbers are remaining. 3, 5, 6. It will come here another cells. We will confirm later. Fourth row, column E, we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. 3 will come here in other cells. We will confirm later. Column E, column F, we have 3. 9th row also we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. Then 3 is confirmed here. 9th row, 10th row, we have 3. Column H also we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. Then 3 is confirmed here. Column H, column I, we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. Then 3 is confirmed here. The third grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 6. It will come here another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Column I, column J, we have 7. 8th row, 9th row also we have 7. So 7 can't come these cells. Then 7 is confirmed here. Column H, column J, we have 8. 9th row also we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells. Then 8 is confirmed here. Column I, column J, we have 1. 6th row also we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells. Then 1 is confirmed here. 5th row, we have 4 and 8. So 4 and 8 can't come these cells. It will come here another 2 cells. 6th row, we already have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell. 4 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Then 4th grade, 3 numbers are remaining. 1, 6, 9. Column B, we have 1 and 9. Sorry, 1 and 6. So 1 and 6 can't come these cells. It will come here another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Then 4th grade, only 1 numbers are remaining. 9. 9 is confirmed here. Second row, third row, we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells. Then 8 is confirmed here. Then column B, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 5. Third row, we already have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell. 4 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. 8th row and 5th grade. Then second row, we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells. Then 1 is confirmed here. Then column E, 3 numbers are remaining, 5, 6, 7. 5th row and second row, we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells. Then 6 is confirmed here. Then column E, 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 7. It will come here another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Then 6th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 6 and 9. 5th grade, we already have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell. 9 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. 5th row, column G, we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells. Then 8 is confirmed here. Column G, column D, we have pair numbers 7 and 8. So 7 and 8 can't come these cells. It will come here another 2 cells. Column F, we already have 8. So 8 can't come in the cell. 8 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Then 4th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 9. It will come here another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Second grade, we have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell. 7 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Then 5th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 5. It will come here another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Then 5th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 5. It will come here another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Column H, column J, we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells. The 9 is confirmed here. 9th row, we have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell. The 9 is confirmed here. Then 4th row, only 1 number is remaining, 2. 2 is confirmed here. Then column G, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 5. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. 10th row, column D, VO2. So 2 can't come these cells. Then 2 is confirmed here. 8th row, 10th row, VO2. Column J also VO2. So 2 can't come these cells. Then 2 is confirmed here. The 9th row, VO2. So 2 can't come in the cell. 2 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Then 5th grade, only one number is remaining. 5 is confirmed here. Then 5th row, only one number is remaining. 2 is confirmed here. Then 7th row, 2 numbers are remaining. 5 and 6. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Then column H, 2 numbers are remaining. 5 and 6. 8th row, VO6. So 6 can't come in the cell. 6 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Then 3rd grade, only one number is remaining. 5 is confirmed here. Column I, we have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell. 5 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Then 9th grade, 2 numbers are remaining. 4 and 6. 10th row, we have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell. 6 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Then 2nd grade, 2 numbers are remaining. 2 and 3. 2nd row, we have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell. 2 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Then 2nd row, 2 numbers are remaining. 7 and 9. Column D, we get 7. So 7 can't come in the cell. 7 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. Then 3rd row, 2 numbers are remaining. 3 and 6. Column C, we have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell. 3 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Column C, we have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell. 6 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Then column C, only one number is remaining. 9. 9 is confirmed here. Then 7th grade, 2 numbers are remaining. 1 and 4. 8th row, we have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell. 1 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Then 8th grade, 3 numbers are remaining. 1, 4, 9. 8th row, we have 1 and 4. So 1 and 4 can't come this cell. It will come in another 2 cells. 5th row, we already have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell. 1 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Then the column F, only one number is remaining. 9. 9 is confirmed here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share this video. Thank you very much.